Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're going to uncover a vital but often hidden hero of soil health, organic matter. It is not just about a dirt anymore. We're talking about the living, breathing engine that fuels fertility, prevents erosion and supports life, especially along sensitive zones like riverbanks. What is organic matter? Organic matter refers to all natural materials in soil that comes from living things, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms in various stages of life or decomposition. It includes living organisms like microbes, fungi, insects, and worms, fresh residues such as fallen leaves, root pieces, or animal manure, decomposing organic matter like half-rooted leaves or dead roots, and humus, the dark crumbly substance that fully broken down and stable. On a riverbank, fallen leaves from overhanging vegetation, plant roots, decaying aquatic biomass, and even fish droppings contribute to the organic matter pool. These elements interact with the fluctuating moisture and sediment loads of riverbank to create a dynamic, rich soil environment. One of the ways to determine the organic matter content in soils is by using loss in ignition or LOI method. Sample from riverbank soil is collected using an auger and a shovel. Any debris from the soil is removed. Then the sample is crushed or grind into fine texture or tiny clumps. Clean crucible with lid are weighted first without the sample. Then the sample is weighted for 10 grams and then just add up the weight before and after sample is added. The crucible with sample is heated in a muffle furnace at 360 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. After that, by wearing gloves and use tongs, remove the crucible carefully from the muffle furnace and let it cool to room temperature for 30 minutes. Put the crucible into a desiccator. Weight the crucible again. LOI can be calculated by using this formula. What does organic matter do and why it matters for riverbanks? The first point is nutrient cycling and supply, a natural fertilizer reservoir. As organic matter decomposes, it releases key nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and micronutrients through microbial activity, a process called mineralization. These nutrients become available to plants gradually, promoting healthy and sustained growth. The second point is soil structure and stability, the soil's architect. Organic matter helps bind soil particles together into stable aggregates, improving porosity, aeration, and resistance to compaction. These properties enhance root development and allow water to move freely through the soil profile. The third point is water retention and infiltration, the nature sponge. One of organic matter's superpower is its ability to hold water up to 90% of its own weight. It increases the soil water holding capacity, meaning plants have more moisture available between rains or irrigation cycles. It also improves infiltration, allowing rainwater to soak in rather than run off the surface. The fourth is biological activity, feeding the underground workforce. Organic matter provides foods and habitat for a diverse community of organisms, from bacteria and fungi to earthworm and beneficial nematodes. These organisms break down the organic residue, recycle the nutrient and suppress disease, and even form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots. The fifth is buffering capacity and pollution control, the soil defense line. Organic matter moderates sudden changes in soil pH, helping plants avoid pH shock during fertilization or heavy rain. It also has high surface area that can bind to toxins, heavy metals, and harmful chemicals, reducing their bioavailability.